respect the flag. That's all I can say. Yep, red light lit up.
Gonna unload the new snowplow blade. It's actually pretty heavy. Just when I lifted it up, you can watch the back of the van comes up quite a bit, so it's pretty heavy. And what's nice too is having the 48-inch forks rather than the 42, because I think I can lift the blade right out of there with the 48-inch forks, which is going to be good. The 42-inch blade would have been too low. It'll make it so much easier to hook the stuff up to it. Put the cast. Well, the fact has never been what's new, so it's never been greased. Why bend over if you don't need to? Turn grease part is.
That's right.
All the grease stuff. Yep. Well, sometimes you walk out to a little bit after. Not gonna happen. Okay. You need to keep it loose. Right. Well, I'm gonna drive up, so we'll tip it one way. they actually do make one that has hydraulics on it that you can hook up to your hydraulics on your tractor, so you can sit in there and move the blades from left to right. There you go. But who needs that? I'm capable of pulling a pin, getting off of it, pulling the pin and adjusting it. This tractor, when I called it in, I went out there, it's been sitting outside for 3 days while I get the garage floor and all that done. And, you know, one night it went down to 17, and she started right up. You know, the old way it is over there, you always had to use ether, and the solenoid was screwed up, so they had to move the screwdriver to start it. And, yeah, so.
Yeah.
Much nicer. Alright, we're going to show a little bit apart. I'll probably go down one way, turn around and come back, and driveway will be cleared. This is 7-foot lane. Trying to think when we get it forward. Well, we'll see if the angle's right. I have no clue. Until we try it. Okay. And it's freaking cold out, in case anybody's wondering. Not exactly sure where the driveway is. Alright, dig it in a little bit. You can see I dug in the driveway a little bit.
Works pretty good.
Yeah, you almost need a way to tip the blade
Mm-hmm.
from left to right, or up and down, whatever you want to say. Only because it really digs in, but I'm sure once I get used to it and angle and all that, but the driveway's not froze, so that's why it's
Yeah.
digging in.
Yeah.
The driveway's not froze. But on concrete, and that would probably be no problem. Or once the driveway freezes, the cell was all right, but you can see how it was digging in. And there's no way to adjust.
Okay.
You know, so it is what it is. Surprising how loose it is. You know, in the pin, that's the pin itself. And I don't know if I need to adjust the skids up on it. You know, I may have the skids, you know, so I'll have to play with it a little bit. But anyway, it'll be a lot quicker plowing with this. There's really not much snow. But it'll be nice to plow with this. Yeah, it's only drawback, no pin. But I'll push that slow there.
Okay.